What about when you have to wrap something weird like a football or a basketball? Well, I got you covered. I'm gonna use my ball to determine how much paper I need. I'm going to, once again, wrap it, and it looks like I have almost the perfect amount on this roll. I'm going to fold the 2 halves of the paper into the center. And having a pattern paper is awesome because I can line up the pattern and it really helps to hide the tape. I'm using just a regular tape that is made for gift wrap, so it disappears really nicely. You can barely even see that. I'm going to tape this pretty heavily all the way up this seam. I'm going to put that seam right in the middle, and I'm going to crease both sides of this paper. Contrary to the perfectly wrapped present, I found that a cheaper, thinner paper actually works better with this project. It lets you manipulate it a little bit better. You just have to be careful not to rip it. I'm going to fold up the bottom about 6 to 8 inches and give it a nice seam. I'm going to create a diamond shape with the bottom. I'm going to start with this side and then do this side. I'm going to fold in each of these 2 points to meet in the center. This will become the bottom of the package, so you can use as much tape as you want. Roll the ball into that. This is a lot left over, so I'm going to trim this about that much. I'm using the pattern to get a nice straight line. Triangle. And secure with one more piece of tape. Finish it off with a bow. Anyway, check it out, guys. I love this. I know that you could just use a gift bag, but this is like taking it the little extra step, going the little extra mile. I think it's so cute. It looks like a package I would want to open. You can't tell what's in it. And let me tell you, I'm going to save you one day because there's going to come a day that you're going to be like, oh no, I need to wrap a soccer ball and I don't have any gift bags. And this is what's going to happen. You have learned something today.